Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make some beauty blender tea. I've been seeing this all over Instagram. Everyone's cleaning their beauty blender in the microwave, so I really want to give it a try. Okay, so here I have two really dirty beauty blenders. Okay, so what you're supposed to do is you put dish soap in a cup. Oh shit, I think I put too much. So then you have to add water. Wait, I feel like I added too much dish soap, so I'm gonna see how this works out. Okay, so next you're supposed to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. I like to touch. Damn, this shit is hot. This shit does not work. Bruh. Look at how dirty the beauty blender still is. Okay, so this is how the beauty blender ended up looking like. It kind of got clean, not all the way. Excuse my ratchet ass nose. Okay, so I really want to try it a second time, but what I'm going to do this time is I'm not going to add as much soap. So let's see if it worked this time by adding a less soap. I'm gonna let it cool off because that's the mistake I did with the first one. I like touched it right away and I burned myself. So I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit and then rinse it to see if it looks clean. I feel like the second time was a fail, but now looking at the first beauty blender, it actually looks kind of clean. This is the first one. Let me squeeze the water out. Okay, so at first I thought it didn't work, but all you have to do is rinse it out and it actually works. So this is the first one. This is the one where I added too much soap, and this happens if you add too much soap. When you squeeze it, it stays in this shape and it doesn't go back to like its natural form unless you get all the soap out. You have to like really rinse it well. So it'll eventually go back to its natural shape once I rinse the soap out. But this one actually did get pretty clean. There's like no stains at all. Wait, actually there's like a little stain, but it did a pretty good job at cleaning it. I actually think it did a pretty decent job at cleaning it, considering the fact that I just put it in the microwave for 1 minute and I like squeezed all the water out and it was clean. And for the second one, I added less soap so it wouldn't do this. So this one didn't get as clean, but it did a pretty good job. I mean, this beauty blender was super dirty. Okay, so here it is. That is the only part that didn't get clean, but if I turn it over to this side, it kind of got clean. So I know I didn't add the olive oil, but I would see people on Instagram just add dish soap and they would do a pretty decent job as well without the olive oil. Okay babes, so let me know what you guys thought about this hack. Honestly, I feel like it did a pretty decent job. I'd rather put this in the microwave for 1 minute rather than scrubbing it for 5 minutes. Okay, so for this week's giveaway, it's going to be a small giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 2 Morphe liquid lipsticks. One is red and one is pink. All you have to do to enter is like this video, comment down below what you guys think about this hack, and turn on your post notifications. So good luck babes, and I'll see you guys in my next video.